Well, we have just about 20 minutes until the top of the 7 o'clock hour for many of you getting ready for a first day back to work after those holidays. Jennifer, looking ahead to the next holiday, New Year's Eve.
Yeah, so it's going to be a little bit more quiet over the coming days. We do have a little round of precipitation today with a quick moving clipper system. But I think the big thing that we're going to notice over the next couple of days, all the way through the next big holiday, is going to be the warm up we are going to encounter as a pattern shift is going to occur. And then we have a small little front that moves in for New Year's Eve, nighttime into New Year's Day. So as of right now, that could bring in some light snow showers for us. But here's the setup within the jet stream. We have more of a zonal flow in place, meaning that our wind flow within the mid levels of the atmosphere is coming out from the west and northwest, so kind of being a little bit more quiet for us. Then we notice a big shift that starts to occur tomorrow, and it stays this way all the way through this upcoming weekend. And what will happen is the wind flow shifts, becoming more out of the south and southwest, so ridge moves in right over the Great Lakes. That's going to usher in some warmer conditions, supporting above normal temperatures tomorrow through this upcoming weekend. But in the meantime, right now, kind of quiet across the Great Lakes. Here's the next little small clipper system that's expected to move through between today and tomorrow. And this is kind of how it looks at this moment. A few snowflakes have been observed here and there within parts of Alger County this morning, but all in all, it's kind of quiet out there. There are going to be winter weather advisories that will be in effect 1 o'clock this afternoon through about 1 o'clock tomorrow morning for the eastern counties of the UP. We are going to have some minor accumulating snow across those sections. So the way it looks the morning and the afternoon today looks okay. And then late afternoon and evening hours, we start to have some wintry mix move in. So that's going to make for some slippery and maybe even some icy road conditions out there. So this is kind of how it unfolds. All the way through midday, kind of quiet. Now, by about mid-afternoon, we start to see some snow move in near Lake Superior. This is 5 o'clock. That spreads towards the eastern counties, where we could have a little bit of an enhancement in the eastern counties this evening through tonight. But after 6 o'clock through about 9 o'clock, we start to see a mixture occur along the Wisconsin state line. That's going to include, aside from snow, some light sleet, maybe even a little bit of freezing, drizzle, freezing rain. So that is what's going to make for some slippery, icy spots out there. That quickly moves on through by tomorrow morning. We could have some patches of mixture in some of the higher elevations today, extending into tomorrow. But other than that, it is a little bit more quiet for the midweek through about Friday. Snowfall amounts with this round that moves in this evening through tonight. Mainly 3 to 6 inches of snow in the far eastern areas of the UP. So not a whole lot, not a huge impact for accumulating snowfall amounts, other than at times some slippery spots. Temperatures for today topping off for the most part in the lower 20s across the west, low to mid 20s across the east. That pattern shift starts to develop tomorrow, and then we'll notice an uptick in temperatures above normal in the lower 30s for most areas for tomorrow afternoon. And for Thursday afternoon, we will have generally above normal temperatures even through this holiday weekend. Now, as of right now, Saturday night for all of our festivities and celebrations looks kind of quiet, but we'll start to potentially have a little light snow move in closer towards midnight into the new year.
Well, 2022 was a big year in